So hello friend, it's me Akash Saxena and you are watching the English Journey from here on this channel English Journey from here. So today is my exam. So today is my exam and now I am going to my college for giving the exam. Okay. So today's vlog fully in English and I will share everything with you. So watch, continue and just you have to learn English. I will explain thing in English everything. Just now I am outside from my home. Now I reached here toll tax and from here I will take the auto and after some time I will go my college. So I didn't take the auto because my friend called me and he is waiting about 5 minutes walking and that's why I am going there. Okay, so after reaching there we will take the auto, then we will go to college. Okay, so now you can see I am walking and I am going towards my friend because my friend is waiting there. So you can see it's a morning time view and you know how you can learn English. You can learn English easily because when you will start explaining things, just to like now I am on the road and you can see here are many vehicles running on the road. Okay, there are two-wheelers, three-wheelers and four-wheelers and here are many trees. Okay, so you can explain things so you can easily learn English. Okay, it's a way of learning English. So I reached there where my friend was waiting. So my friend is there, you can see it's not looking proper. Okay, now he is coming on the road and we will take the auto from here, then we will go. Okay, so you can see it's my friend behind, he is Arpit Yadav. Okay, then now we will take the auto and we will go to college for giving the exam. So now we taken the auto and we are going to our college. So now I have got out of the auto and I reach Visvidyalay metro station and after that we will go our college. Okay, now we are towards our college and here you can see here are many rush and here are many peoples and students are going to the. So now I am at the place of Visvidyalay and here are many students are going to their college and that's why here too much rush and okay, so to be continue and I will tell you how you can learn English because you have to just explain things in English, after that you can learn easily, otherwise you will never learn. Okay, just you have to explain one by one things. Okay, so friends, now I am on the other road. Okay, and I am explaining things in English one by one and this is my friend is walking in front of me and we are going to our college. Okay, so I hope you are learning English with my this channel. Okay, with this video and just you have to explain things in English, I always say about it. Okay, so here is a board and here some right University Stadium, School of Open Learning, Gandhi Bhavan. Okay, we have to just explain things in English, everything. Okay, just now I am speaking. This is a zebra crossing and this is a pedestrian area and we are walking on it. Okay, here are some many shops and this is a juice shop and he is peeling off the what mango orange and here are many peoples are taking the juice and this uncle is riding the scooty. Okay, so you can explain thing in English so you can easily learn. Okay, so it's a way of learning English, I am always say about it. So I am about to reach my college and I am on the way. Okay, so here you can see many traffics around me and there are many vehicles, so you can explain things in English. Okay, so after that you can easily speak English, otherwise you will never learn English because English want to more and more practice. Okay, so you can start anything means your English is not good but you have to try. Okay, when you will try, so you can get your English easy. Okay, and your English is good, so you can improve your English with the help of this, just like I am doing. I am explaining things in English, whatever. Okay, so I am continuously walking, so that's why I get thirsty, so I taken this water bottle. Okay, and after that I drink it. So we are just about to reach after 5 minutes. I think after 5 minutes we we will reach our college. Okay, so here are many persons, many people, many vehicles are in hurry. Okay, because there are crowded area and student area, so everyone is very late. Okay, so now I am here and I just when I will reach, then I enter the college, and after that I will tell you what I am doing. Okay, and I think today I didn't prepare my exam to, just I will do anything, I will write anything. Okay, just I have to attend the exam. Okay, and no matter, because it's a easy, and I will read, I will write the anything, okay, related to the question. Okay, so now I'm here in front of you. Just you have to learn English, so you have to explain things in English. I am telling this line again and again. Okay, so you can watch here, and here are many vehicles are running. Okay, so you can watch. It's very tough for me because I don't have too much good practice in English, but still I am trying to speak in English. Okay, and this vlog I am shooting in English language. Okay, because I have to improve my English. Okay, you know very well if you subscribe my channel. So because I am uploading the daily video on my channel, English journey from here, so you can easily learn English with my YouTube channel. Okay, where I uploaded daily videos related to English, how you can learn English, what kinds of things you have to follow for speaking English. Okay, so this is a way of learning. So guys, now we reached our college, and we will check our roll number. Okay, so to be continue. So this college is very amazing, and here are many trees and bushes and flowers. Okay, this is the building of this college. This college name is Ramjas College. It is near Delhi University at Visvidyalaya metro station. So we will enter here. Okay, now we are going to our destination, means our class. So look guys, you can see it's a very big college, Ramjas College. Okay, and here are many plants, and we are on the middle way of our destination means our classroom. And after some time we will reach our classroom, then attempt the exam. We have to go there. Okay, we have to just walk straight. I totally forgot about it because it's my second exam. Okay, I think now we have to turn right side. No, I don't know. So friend, this is my room number 48, and I will go there, and you can see this is a college is amazing, and it's very clean, and there is no dirty. Okay, so just wait, I am entering on this room, and after that I complete the exam, then I will come back and we will discuss in English to continue. Okay, so bye bye, we will meet after 3 years after 3 hours. The paper is over, and we are come outside from the exam room, and we are going our home. Okay guys, now we are come outside from the exam hall. I already tell you, then I am out of the college and going out of the class. Okay, then we will take the auto, and after that we will go our home. Okay, and just you have to watch and speak and learn English with me. Okay, what happened? Okay, here are many students are sitting and keep resting. So I also guys, now we are exploring this college, me and my friend. That's why I saying to this we, otherwise I says I'm exploring the college. Okay, so I hope you are understanding how to learn English and how to explain things in English. When you will speak things, so you can easily speak, otherwise you will never speak. Okay, it's a basic rule of English. Anybody want to speak English, so just explain thing and related things. When you are go outside, just you have to speak and explain. Okay, so this is a way of learning English. So when you will, if you will follow it, so you can easily learn. Otherwise you will only think I have to learn, but you are not doing such things. If you will doing regularly, so you can easily speaking. Okay, bye bye. So guys, now exam is over and now I am outside from the college and my exam is getting over and I did the exam. I don't know what I wrote on the exam. Okay, but it's not too much hard, but it's something hard and I attempt the all 5 question. Okay,